Example 2. Resolve 2x plus 3 by x minus 2 into x square plus 1 into partial fractions. The given fraction has one linear factor and one quadratic non-resolvable quadratic factor. So the partial fractions will be in the form like a divided by x minus 2 plus bx plus c divided by x square plus x plus 1. And then take up LCM and equating the numerators. 2x plus 3 is equals to a multiplied by x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c multiplied by x minus 2. And now I call this as a condition 1. I substitute x is equals to 2. You'll be getting it as 2 2s are 4 plus 3, 7 on left hand side is equals to 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 times of a plus 0. So a is equals to 1. And x is equals to 0 when you substitute in the same condition 1. Left hand side will be getting 3 is equals to 0, 0, you get a, here b 0, 0 minus 2c. But a is equals to 1 already. Therefore, 2c is equals to minus 2. And that gives you c is minus 1. And from the condition 1, left hand side and right hand side, comparing coefficients of x square. So, comparing coefficients of x square, both sides will be getting left hand side 0, right hand side x square coefficient is a and bx into x plus b. And that gives you b is equals to minus a. Minus a means minus 1. So you got b and c. And therefore, partial fractions are given by 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 multiplied by x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 1 divided by x minus 2 plus bx plus c. b when you substitute here, you get minus x minus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1. Therefore, the answer is x 1 by x minus 2 minus x minus 1 by x square plus x plus 1.